So let me share with you now some best practices for using trending traffic on your site. I want you to see maximum results. So I'm going to be sharing tips that have gleaned both from my own usage as well as our over 5,000 customer sites that are already using the tech. So when using trending traffic, you have to decide exactly what type of site that you're dealing with here. Are you a more serious businessy site, maybe a doctor or accounting firm? Or are you able to be a bit more fun and whimsical, like maybe a personal blog or a site that's dedicated just to viral content? So if you're on the serious side, you're going to want to pull your trending traffic content from some of the more serious data sources like BBC or CNN or something like that. If you're able to be a bit more fun, which is good for a dedicated viral site, and truly all the viral articles for the most part are more fun, then you want to use the viral posts that are found on like Board Panda, Clickhole, Daily Dot, etc. So for purposes of this demo, I'm going to assume that you're integrating trending traffic into an existing site, and I'm going to show you how to use that most effectively. So to make that happen, I suggest that you make a sidebar or a bottom widget that's going to contain all your trending traffic posts. So in this example here, I've made a little widget on the side that's called Odd and Fun. So I've got an informational blog that's actually kind of serious, but I'm going to pull in the more viral and more fun content. So this will give you the benefit with Google of having posts, and good fresh content always coming up on your site, but it's not going to clutter up your site as well. It's going to be over there on the side, a little bit out of the way, but it's also going to improve your quality metrics like time on site and page views because users are going to engage with it. That's kind of the whole point of all this. Make sense? So to do this correctly, you're going to want to use a couple of plugins, which are free right here. One is Posts from a Single Category, and this allows you to drive all of this content into one specific bucket right there. Right, so let me pop over here and show you exactly what it looks like. So I've got my appearance, widgets, and if you look right here, post from a single category. And I made a category called Odd and Fun, and I'm going to show 3 of the posts. And this is just the title. It doesn't have anything to do with anything. But remember, Odd and Fun is the category. And if you don't know already, you can set up your categories right there on this page. So it's just as easy as that. You just add a new one, then it's going to appear in the drop-down box. You click Save, and then now any posts that belong to that category are going to show up here in that sidebar widget. Okay, pretty simple, right? The next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that this Odd and Fun content, the more whimsical stuff, doesn't appear over here. So you can do that by using this particular plugin here. It's called Simply Exclude. It's a little bit clunky, but it works. And so you just drive down here and you can define what appears in the various areas. And so in my case, I'm excluding things on the home page. And if I go to my categories, I've got it right here. If I scroll down to Odd and Fun, I don't want to see it on the front/home page. Like I said, it's a little bit clunky, but it works. If you find you have a conflict or it's too confusing, you can always edit your WordPress files directly, and there's some sample code right there if you want to do that.